What's up, YouTube? We're back at it with another video. Today we got some stuff in the mail from one of our sponsors. We put some stuff on the truck. We're gonna get that taken care of before the hurricane rolls through tonight. So right now we're still on call and have been on call. So may be able to finish the video, may not be able to finish the video, just depends. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick unboxing. Video of the install and how exactly to put this product on your vehicle. Let's not waste any time, let's get to it. Alright, YouTube, so what we have today is parts from Mojave. They sent me some parts to be put on the truck. I'm going to do a little unboxing of it real quick here. We got a decal. We got a shirt. And here's what we got. Tie down hooks. Alright, so what you do is you'll insert this and this piece into the bed of the truck, pull it to where the nub comes out, put your faceplate against it, then twist. And it's pretty much self-tightening to the truck bed. There's a little buffer area, that way you don't overturn it and mess up your paint. And they got instructions here. Got a 4-piece kit. I think they have a 4-piece, 8-piece. They have different ones for different vehicles, different setups. Ones with 3, 4 hooks on them. The warranty paperwork. Big shout out to Mojave Parts for sending this to me. Get this taken care of and put on the truck. And so after you go in with your paddle bit, you can take a pair of snips, clean up a little bit. And I made it a little bit larger, that way I can try to press in this piece. What you need to do is this nut, twist it all the way up to the hex nut. This oval shape will match up with the oval shape inside the bed. Get it in the bed, turn it 90 degrees. You can turn it back to the right and tighten it back up. You get this nut against this one. When you put it in to the oval spot, you want to turn it to the left. The left will keep the nut against the hex nut and keep it from getting stuck or jamming up and not letting you put it into the oval shape. Once you get it past the oval inside the bed, you want to turn it 90 degrees to the left. That way it's keeping that nut from backing off the hex nut. But you also want to make sure that when you turn it to 90 degrees, these little lips are locking it to the bed. You want to pull towards you, keep the tension on it, but also you want to turn this plate to where these line up with these cuts. So you're essentially looking at it like this, and you're going to pull it to you while it's in the bed, and then twist it to the right. The right will start tightening it up to the bed. Make sure you're pulling it towards you each time you turn. Keep that tension on it. Eventually it's going to self-tension. You don't have to do that anymore, just keep tightening it up. There is a little gasket piece that keeps it from tightening too much and cutting into the paint. Alright, so on this side I've pulled back the liner some to show you the different steps a little bit. So this is after I drilled it. I pulled it back so I can show you what I was talking about right here. For people that don't have drop-in bed liners, this is going to be a lot easier for you than it is for me with this liner in here. As you can see, I'm wearing the shirt. It was super hot outside. It's about to storm. My camera kept dying. So hopefully I can piece the video together good enough to everybody gets a grasp of how to do it. The only thing I had to do was drill into my bed liner with the paddle bit, which was super easy also. And they're already marked on my bed liner for where the anchor points are at. Install was super easy. Like I said, you just flip that nut all the way up to the hex nut, slide it into the oval slot, turn it 90 degrees to the left, pull it towards you to give it some tension. That way it keeps the stepped nut from backing out and coming out of the oval. You want to make sure that square plate, the two lines on the back of it are lined up to the steps on that nut that goes into the oval. If you think about it, they only go one way, so each time you put it in, just make sure that the square plate is the same way each time. The two lines will go parallel to the bed of the truck. That means this way and this way to the bed of the truck. Once you start twisting it to the right and tightening it up, those two lines will interconnect with the wing nut itself and lock it in place, so you don't have to pull it anymore. You just keep tightening down and it locks itself. So those came in really fast. Big shout out to Mojave Parts. Y'all check them out on mojaveparts.com. Great product. They come in different colors, like I said, different sizes, different models for different vehicles. If you guys have any questions, you can contact me. You can contact Mojave Parts directly if you want. Just put the decal up. I'm not sure if that was in the video or not. The camera kept dying. It's extremely hot outside and it's about to storm. What now I'm going to do is I'm going to go fill up my tank, make sure I got gas for this hurricane, just in case I got to use my truck for anything for work. Because like I said, I am on call and I have all my duty gear in the truck, just in case something happens and I have to use it. So You'll get gas, get food. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Follow Mojave Parts on Instagram. And check them out on their website. And we'll see you back here for the next one.